The phenomenon of insects moving towards light is known as phototaxis. While it may seem counterintuitive, there are a few reasons why insects are attracted to light sources. Navigation. Many insects, such as moths and beetles, rely on celestial cues like the moon and stars for navigation. Artificial light sources can interfere with their navigation system. Insects may mistake artificial lights, such as street lights or lamps, for natural sources of light and become disoriented. They may circle around the light source, trying to correct their course. Misinterpretation. Some insects use light polarization patterns to navigate. These polarization patterns occur naturally in the sky during certain times of the day. However, artificial lights can emit polarized light, and insects may mistake them for natural polarization cues, leading them to move towards the light source. Mating behavior. Light sources can disrupt insect mating behavior. Some species of insects, particularly nocturnal ones, use specific light signals or bioluminescence to communicate and attract mates. Artificial lights can interfere with these signals and confuse the insects, causing them to gather around the light source instead. Heat attraction. Many insects are attracted to warmth, and light sources, especially incandescent or ultraviolet lights, can produce heat. Insects may perceive the warmth from the light source and move towards it, as they associate it with potential food sources or suitable habitats. It's important to note that not all insects are attracted to light in the same way. Different species may have varying responses, and some insects may exhibit negative phototaxis, meaning they move away from light sources. The exact reasons for phototaxis can vary depending on the species and their specific ecological adaptations.